Hello everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing the Silk Cashew Milk in the unsweetened vanilla flavor. So only 25 calories per cup. This is one of the lowest calorie milks out there. I've been using this every single day now for 4 or 5 years. It's my favorite milk alternative. I really like the cashew taste because there's not really much taste there at all. And I usually use this in like a protein shake or in cereal, so mostly in protein shakes. That's why I have it every single day, because I eat protein shake, or I have a protein shake every single day. The thing that I like about it is, again, very light flavor. It doesn't have that. Sometimes milk in a protein shake has a weird taste to it. This doesn't really have that weird taste. So it's free from gluten, soy, carrageenan, and artificial colors or flavors. And per 1 cup, 250 mils, we have 25 calories with 2 grams of fat, 2 grams of carb, 1 gram protein. And then there's some added vitamins too. Ingredients are cashew base, which is filtered water and cashew, vitamin mineral blend, almond butter, sea salt, sunflower, natural flavored, gallon gum, ascorbic acid, contains cashew and almond. It may contain other tree nuts. So, helping people and the planet, plant-powered goodness, and recyclable packaging. There's a lot to love with this Silk Cashew Milk, and I'm just going to open it up, give it a little taste test for you guys. So I don't normally drink Silk milk like it's normal milk. I don't drink it. It's typically only ever used in protein shakes and then again, cereal at time to time. But I want to face my fears and drink this here in front of you guys. Yeah, there's not much of a taste to it. Very slight vanilla. It's really all. Like, it doesn't taste like cashews at all, which is kind of weird because, you know, it's made from cashews. But I find that almond milk doesn't really taste like almonds either, so it must be a thing with making milk from nuts. But it's very, I don't know, it's very basic. Like, it's got a milk taste to it. Like, it tastes somewhat like milk with a little bit of vanilla flavor in there too. But not overpowering in your face vanilla like it could have been. So I really like the Silk Cashew Milk. I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10. I have this every single day. I've never gotten sick of it. It mixes with just about any type of protein powder out there. So if you are like me and want to make up some protein shakes and don't want to use dairy as much, because it's good to cut back on dairy from time to time, this is a good alternative. I cut back on dairy because whey protein is dairy as well. I also eat Greek yogurt, Icelandic yogurt, and I have cheese on things from time to time. So it could be a lot of dairy on your digestive tract. This will help reduce it a little bit. And this has a lot less calories than milk too. So if you're looking to lose weight or making protein shakes, whatever, it's kind of the best option in my opinion. Because no real strong taste, same kind of concept, and it's creamy. It's one of the big points about this, I guess I should mention, is that Silk is very creamy. It's thicker than almond milk, and I find that in a protein shake, it gives it nice consistency. And even with cereal, it's good too. So I really like Silk. I can't say enough good things about it. I'm surprised it took me this long to do a video on Silk because I've been drinking Silk every single day for 4 or 5 years now. So it's been a long time coming. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.